In this video, I'll show you how to use Trip.com coins. So here we are on the Trip.com dashboard. And what we obviously need to make sure of is that we have coins, which you can see the amount on the top right here. So now all you need to do is just like you regularly would, book a hotel, book a flight, whatever it is. So let's set up one here. Let's hit search. And here we see our options. Let's just click on one of them here. And I'm going to select a room. Let's say reserve here. I need to obviously fill in all my details, but that's not really relevant to what we're trying to cover here. What we want to do is on the final step, when we are doing payment, you will see an option to select your payment method. So be it card, PayPal, whatever. However, you will also see a toggle that will show your Trip coins, and you can toggle on if you want to use them or not use them, and then proceed to payment by clicking on Pay Now. And that's really how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.